guys, welcome to Woju TV. Today is all about Lateef Adedimeji and wife. I'm going to be talking about Lateef Adedimeji, and as you are watching this video, you are also going to be seeing the best of Lateef Adedimeji and his wife. The films they have done before, you will be seeing it on this video. Lateef Adedimeji, also known as Lateef Adedimeji, born February 1st, 1986, from Ogun State. Place of birth is Isolo, Lagos, and his profession is from Isolo, Lagos. His nationality is Nigeria. Not only is Lateef Adedimeji an amazing actor, but he has also played several roles in various movies. He featured in different kind of movie. He is often believed to be siblings with Odunlade Adekola, owing to their height and body structure. He has often take over from Odunlade Adekola in the nearest future. Abdulateef Adedimeji, February 1st, 1986, commonly referred to as Lateef Adedimeji, is a Nigerian actor and a scriptwriter who hails from Abeokuta, Ogun State. He was at some point mistaken for being the younger brother of talented Nigerian actor Odunlade Adekola, owing to some striking similarities that have in common. Lateef Adedimeji, who was born in Isolo, Lagos State, in the fourth of he had his primary and secondary school education from Isolo before proceeding to study mass communication at Olabisi Onabanjo University in Ogun State. His journey into the movie industry started as a TV presenter and scriptwriter on Orisun TV in 2007. He worked as a scriptwriter for an NGO called Community Life Project. The NGO was known for sexuality issues, HIV/AIDS awareness creation, and fights for human rights. His work with the organization was to create content through which they pass their message across to the public. He gave his script an opportunity to work for UNICEF on a radio drama Talented Omo Catch Up. Following his success as a scriptwriter for UNICEF, Lateef got an offer from the CEO of Orisun TV to start running a television program which they titled Sababi. The program was all over the place for more than 2 years. He also worked as a presenter of a talk show called Miliki Express on the same Orisun TV. Lateef Adedimeji has been acting on stage since age 15, but started acting professionally in 2007. He landed his first major role in Kudi Klito, produced by Yewande Adekoya. It was this movie that shot him to the light, and his career was grown rapidly since then. The actor revealed that he locked himself up for 3 days and kept rehearsing because it's the first time he's going to act and he wants to show his best. As a result of his preparation, he was able to receive positive feedback from the crew due to his excellent acting. This was also the movie that gave him the first award as an actor. Lateef was featured in over 100 movies since he began acting. In 2010, Lateef produced a film titled Oserigi. In an interview, Lateef revealed that he planned to own his movie in production outfit one day. Also, he disclosed in another interview that he would love to work with Denzel Washington sometime in the future because he loves his way of speaking, which always gets him thinking and often makes a lot of sense. It is believed that Lateef Adedimeji will be the successor of Odunlade Adekola, and the actor has disclosed that he sees Odunlade Adekola as a very good actor, so he actually sits back to learn from him, and he add what he has learned to himself to improve his acting ability. But the actor doesn't think he acts like Odunlade Adekola. In fact, each time he meets Odunlade, he often tells him of how his acting is different from his. Lateef believes acting comes naturally to him and it isn't based on an im- imitation of the popular actor. Lateef has won City People Entertainment Award for Best Supporting Actor of the Year in Yoruba in 2016. He was also nominated for City People Entertainment Award for Most Promising Actor of the Year Yoruba in 2015. Lateef received the Best Actor award for his role in the movie Kudi Klito at the Heritage Award in Atlanta, United States of America. Odua Movie Awards in 2014 and 2015 as Best Actor. The same movie also gave him the Best Actor in Supporting Role at BON Award, BON, as well as the City People Award and Lagos Under 13 Best Actor of the Year's Award. Abdulateef Adedimeji, popularly known as Lateef Adedimeji, award-winning Nigerian actor, playwright, with the estimated net worth of 50 million naira. This is wonderful. This is really, really wonderful. I'm going to be talking about his wife, his lovely wife, Adebimpe. Adebimpe also has her own thing. She's also an actress, and she's also one of the best actresses. Adebimpe was born in a Lateef's wife, Mrs. Adebimpe Abdulateef Adedimeji, was born in Akure, the capital of Ondo State, but an origin of Ijeru, Ekiti, in Ekiti State. She is the last child and daughter in a family of 5. She had her secondary education at the Access College and Omolere School. She later proceeded to Ekiti State University, where she studied English. Mobimpe, as fondly called, is a multi-talented actress who acts in both English and Yoruba movies. She is well known for her excellent thrilling roles in movies. Oyebade Adebimpe started off her career as a model. She has worked with top brands such as House of Tara, Clean Cosmetics, and so on. She started her acting career since 2016, where she got her first role in the movie Agbede Meji, was produced by Yomi Fabiyi, and that same movie brought her to light. Adebimpe was starred in more than 50 movies: Imole Ife, Ponle, Aye Tí Mo Wá, Romance, Wounded, Layo, Òṣùpá Ajé, and so on. She has produced numerous movies such as Dear Sister, Jades Cross, as directed by Abe Lare, and Entrapped, which feature the likes of Odunlade Adekola, Lateef Adedimeji, Bukola Dayo, Timitope Solaja, Ibrahim Itele Yekini, Taiwo Hassan, and many others. So Adebimpe really acts in lot of movie. A lot. We also have Entrapped, Vows, Delusion, Irapada, Adebimpe Omoba, Abike Oni, Silent Cry, Dear Sister, Shadows. Above all these few mentioned movies, aside acting, she's an entrepreneur, the CEO of a brand name where she has worked with other numerous brands, magazine, photographer, stylist, makeup artist, fashion design, hair extension companies, and so on. This is wonderful. These two couples are meant for each other. Really. They are really meant for each other. Thanks for watching Woju TV. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.